This is question number 15 in the June 2013 non-calculator paper. Let's read the question. First of all, you need to spot that there's a star next to this question, so there's some marks for quality of written communication. And the question says, one sheet of paper is 9 times 10 to the minus 3 centimeters thick. Mark wants to put 500 sheets of paper into the paper tray of his printer. The printer is 4 centimeters deep. Is the paper tray deep enough for 500 sheets of paper? So what we need to do is we need to work out how much or how thick 500 sheets of paper are. Now, one sheet of paper is 9 times 10 to the minus 3. So 500 sheets of paper is going to be that times 500. We need to see how thick that is. Right, so I need to work out that calculation. And those of you familiar with standard form will know exactly what we need to do here. We need to actually do this calculation completely. Now, there are several ways in which you could do this. And I guess one of the most straightforward ways is just to convert, or just to work with both the numbers in standard form. What I'll be inclined to do is do 9 times 500. Now, 9 times 5 is 45. And if I add on 2 zeros to that, that's 9 times 5. And I'm going to times that by 10 to the minus 3. Now, 10 to the minus 3, if I think about what that is and what that means, that's sort of moving the decimal point 3 places to the left. And so the decimal point is over there right now. So if I did that calculation, the decimal point would move 3 places over to the left. And what that gives me is 4.5. Now, what that says is one sheet of paper is 9 times 10 to the minus 3 centimeters thick. 500 sheets of paper is going to be 4.5 centimeters thick. Right, so that is the thickness of 500 sheets of paper. Go back and read the question. Is the paper tray deep enough for 500 sheets of paper? You must explain your answer. So, because the paper tray is 4 centimeters thick, 500 sheets will not fit in the tray, as 500 sheets is 4.5 centimeters thick. I've written a fair bit there, but I want to make sure that I actually do get all the marks for this. And I want to make sure that I indicate that I know and I understand that the paper tray is 4 centimeters deep, but 500 sheets of paper is 4.5 centimeters thick, and as a result, it's not going to fit in the tray. Make sure you understand this completely. This is a easy 3 marks to get. Make sure you get them all.